starting early over here at Boynton. This crew actually took about 25 minutes to get the boat launched. They backed down the ramp and they weren't prepped, but decided, I don't know, they were just going to sit on the dock and do it. And now they've gotten themselves into some mischief as the wind is blowing pretty hard today, and it just caught them and pushed them straight into the sandbar right on the side of the channel here. And my man is struggling. Got to be careful though, trying to play around with the backside of this boat, motor running. Obviously we can tell the prop spinning because we can see the water moving. But this crew, I think they're going to get an assist. It looks like we have somebody who might be coming over to give him a hand here in a second. They're waving. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton. And here's that assist I was talking about, and my man's going to throw his back into it. He might get him pushed off. And there we go. The boys, and somebody was wise enough to turn the motor off, it appears. And he's got him back out into deep water. But we've got two crew members now standing on the sandbar. And the boat's going, no, bro. You're going to wind up right back on the bar. Oh, man. Oh, not a good start. So our guys, as we described, man, this wind is ripping, has pushed them right back into the bar. Let's see if our guy can get him off this time on his own. Get a little back into it. Come on, bro. Dig in. Oh, they may need the assist again. This is just a rough one, bro. It is a tough start to the day like this. And it'll be interesting to see this crew come back in when they try and get the boat back out of here. I think we got it pushed off. And it looks like, yeah, our guy's going to get it. And they might be able to get out of here and actually start their day on the water. There we go. And here comes our crew in on approach. Interesting, the wind's ripping today, as we mentioned, coming across the screen from our right to our left. And he's coming in a little hot, which is going to stink because he's going to have to brake check it. And when he does, that wind is going to grab him. And here comes the brake check. Hang on, bro. Watch out for your hands. Oh! You've got to be careful where you put your hands. My man was right at the contact point. Fortunately, he got away with it, but man, we smacked the dock good there. He did a brake check. Wind had him. And we're going to go ahead and switch up docks. Probably a good move. And our guy's backing down, but we got somebody else approaching the dock over here on the right as well. And he's left the helm to grab some lines. And he's going to go for some line tosses, it looks like, to try and finish his way onto the dock. Bro, you're going to have to hook it a little different than that. Just tossing the line up there is not going to do it. He's trying. We've missed again. And missed one more time. Does he got one more throw in him? He might be too far off. Oh, he goes for one more. That's it. He just drifted too far off. He couldn't quite get it hooked. And he's going to have to restart this thing and try and line it up one more time. He really didn't have good tosses on there, though. He didn't. You got to get the hook, bro. And our crew coming in on approach. Coming in a little slow. But, oh, man, the wind's got them. Watch out for the dock. There's rocks right here in front of us. They're going to call it close. They're just going to squeak by. If you've ever been here at Boynton, you'll understand how close that was. There's rocks right here at the edge of the pier. And I think they're going to take approach on the most difficult dock to approach here at Boynton as well. Cap's actually got a good look on this one. I like this right here. He's bow into the wind, so it's going to give him the most control as the wind tries to push him back. And basically what he can do once he gets close enough to the dock is kind of let the wind push the bow in. And one little brake check, and the wind should grab the bow and let him roll. He kind of backs off a little bit. Gonna level it out and try and come in this way. Let's see. Once again, the wind's gonna grab him a little bit, probably push him in. I definitely don't like this look with Our Lady in the bow. She's got her leg hanging off the boat, but she's in between the bow rail. And, I mean, if she had to move in an emergency pinch if this boat lurched forward, she's stuck. Definitely don't recommend that one. So our cab's off, has the line. We just got to try and get a bow line set up on this, and they should be good. Here we go, second set of hands on the dock. We got to get the bow back over, though. And here we go for the lines. We got the grab. And this probably should be good enough to get this boat tied up and get this crew out of here. I really hate the way the sun's hitting us here at the end, but man, this crew looks like they're stuck on the ramp. They tried pulling out, they've backed down a little bit, and yep, tires are spinning. It's tough to see, but they're stuck over there. You can see the smoke up by the road from the tires spinning. This is late in the day. The light just gets terrible here at Boynton. So here we go again. This crew's going to try and pull out one more time. You can see him sliding backwards a little bit. Here we go. Oh, they're going to get it this time. And they'll get it out of there, man. But they were stuck there for a few minutes. I wasn't sure if they were going to be able to get this one out or not. But they're able to pull it out. I think the boat probably was loaded just a little far back on the trailer, adding that weight. But this crew should be good to roll from here. And speaking of being good to roll, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.